All tool projects start with a conversation with our customers. Once a concept has been agreed, designs are produced including all of the various elements and how the tool will work. Once these have been signed off by a customer, we program the CNC machines to make the various parts. We start by taking raw material, skim it to ensure it's flat and that the tool will fit together correctly, and then we move on to the various machining operations. In this case, we're producing a base plate with multiple cavities designed to produce 9 coasters at a time to make moulding parts cost effective. There are various machining operations, and depending on the complexity of the tool, this can take some time to produce all of the required features on each part. So while that's happening, we'll take a look at how we'll produce the design in each cavity. For this tool, we've opted for inserts, so we have the flexibility to produce a range of different coaster designs. We're laser engraving them as it gives us the ability to produce fine lettering and detail. Many of our customers specify the part numbers and/or names are moulded in parts, and these can be machined into tools as required. You'll see we've got fixing holes in each insert so they can be interchanged, reducing the need to have several tools, not to mention the cost, and giving us flexibility to update designs as and when we may need to. Whilst each cavity dictates the coaster size, the inserts determine what design they will have. These will be secured with holding screws to ensure they remain in place during the moulding process, and you can see the location holes now machined into the base plate, along with the holes for pillars and other mould furniture. The top plate follows a similar process to the base, undergoing various machining stages through to its completion when both plates are now ready to go together. Once finished, the inserts are secured into place. If we were to produce the coasters with the as machined tool, we'd end up with a functional but not necessarily aesthetic appearance, which is fine for applications where moulded parts are not seen, but not for this. So after we check the tool goes together as planned, it's time to prepare the finish. We offer a range of cosmetic options, and for the coasters we're glass bead blasting the cavities to produce a matte, even appearance. Once that's done, we're ready to produce parts. Pre-measured amounts of raw material are loaded, then the top plate is brought in line with the base and the tool is closed. We've selected to use silicone for the coasters, as it's food safe, washable and even dishwasher proof. It can withstand high temperatures and is highly resistant to scratches, meaning it should continue to look as new for a long time. The tool is drawn into the press where it and the silicone are heated to a predetermined temperature over a set process time. A vacuum is pulled to ensure optimum moulded part quality, and the parts are effectively cooked. Once the cycle is completed, the press opens, the tool is presented ready for unloading, so moulded parts can be accessed by an operator who removes the coasters, in this case using compressed air to make it easier and faster as the coasters are still hot. Once all parts are out and the tool is confirmed to have no remaining material in it, the whole cycle is ready to be repeated. And there you have it. Finished coasters ready for use, and due to the design of this tool, they don't need trimming. So that's the story of our tool. We'd love to be part of the story of yours. Contact us now to see how we can help you on your next mould tooling project.